After years away from the bench of the world's highest court, Nigeria is stepping forward once again. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, Yusuf Tuggar, says it's time for the country to reclaim its place at the International Court of Justice. At a nomination event in Abuja, the focus was on restoring Nigeria's voice in global judicial decisions and strengthening the continent's representation at the ICJ. Our correspondent, Zainab Akogun, reports.
A broader effort to strengthen Nigerians' influence in global judicial affairs took center stage at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Abuja, where officials gathered to nominate Dr. Tawhid Elias for election into the International Court of Justice. The event drew diplomats, members of the legal community, as Nigeria renewed its push to reclaim representation as the world's highest judicial body after several years of absence. Speaking at a meeting on Nigeria's nomination of Dr. Tawhid Elias to the International Court of Justice, Minister of Foreign Affairs Yusuf Tuggar said the move reflects Nigerians' commitment to fairness, equity, and stronger participation in international judicial affairs. He noted that for many years, West Africa has not had a voice at the ICJ.
Since the court's establishment in 1945, Africa has consistently contributed jurists of great distinction. Yet no candidate from the ECOWAS region has served on the ICJ since 2011, when Judge Abdul Koroma of Sierra Leone concluded his second term. Even more striking, Nigeria, Africa's most populous nation, has not had a national on the court for over 30 years. This long absence is not a matter of pride, but of perspective. It underscores the importance of equitable geographical representation and the need for voices from West Africa to again be heard within the world's highest judicial body.
On his part, Nigerian's candidate Dr. Tawhid Elias pledged to bring his decades of experience in international law to bear if elected, promising to uphold the principles of justice, independence, and peaceful settlements.
With judicial comes transparency, a duty to give reasons for your decisions in a transparent manner. Everybody can watch live proceedings of the International Court of Justice on TV, on the internet. It's so transparent, it's so visible, and if you're going to be that transparent, you need to have that expertise. As an international lawyer, I've studied international law all my career from a very early age, for whom that's my entire career has been in that field. Seeing the court so busy and enjoying so much confidence on the part of the international community, I think Nigeria has a legitimate claim, you know. No, we're talking about a court, so you're not really going there to represent anybody as such. You know, you have to be independent and objective. But the last time a Nigerian was on the court was more than 30 years ago. You know,
Nigerians' renewed engagement with the International Court of Justice is seen as a broader effort to restore its influence in shaping the rules that govern international peace and cooperation. Zainab Akogun, reporting for Kaftan TV.